we see Vincent in World War II, because that was probably one of the better examples of like intense bodily trauma, like war, and especially one of the bloodiest wars. And he stormed the beaches of Normandy. This allele gets activated during intense bodily trauma. So he changes into a vampire. And what happens with him? And so what happens is this allele, once it's activated, it perfects the entire human genome, like in their body. Their DNA is perfected. They don't require food and water anymore. They're a lot faster, a lot stronger. They live a heck of a lot longer. And they require now, and this is the other thing, like they don't need to exsanguinate a human to survive. They need blood, but they're not going to need to like drain the human for it. The other thing I wanted to do was like, you know, how you like, we talk about pheromones and how like, you know, we emit a certain pheromone and certain people like that pheromone. It's the same thing with vampires, except for they emit a pheromone that's going to draw their perfect match to them. So in other words, like, you know, say this vampire needs more phosphate and, you know, iron and whatever, like certain things. They're going to emit a pheromone that's going to draw their human match to them, and then they can feed off of them, and then they get what they need. We find out a lot, so much in DNA. I mean, it's fascinating and
Yeah, it's
just
fascinating.
yeah. So that's why I took such a heavy like lean into genetics and heredity with the vampirism, because I thought it would be a really interesting. And then as the books go on, you learn a
Morning,
little bit
Randy.
more about where that
Morning,
common
Jacob.
ancestry came from.